Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and welcome to another So Far Sunday. I'm just going to show you the WIPs I've got going on at the moment and my acquisitions. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. There's a little thingy along here, and hit the notification bell and you'll be informed when there's new videos, new giveaways, new live streams and lots of fun. So firstly, I want to apologise to everybody who watches me all the time and participates in my live streams that I've not been able to do one for the last few days. It's been almost a week, I think. The thing is, I've got no internet, and at home here where I am now, I've got no internet, so I'm going to record this and I shall have to upload it when I get to Gary's. We're going to get the internet back on the 5th. It's because when Mike and Gemma moved out, that was their internet, so obviously it had to go to their new house with them, and so we've got to wait for a new one. And so that will be done on the 5th, I'm told. Fingers crossed that there's nothing wrong with it, and it all goes smoothly. I've also got no car, so I'm feeling really isolated and housebound, and it's weird. It is. It makes you realise just how reliant we all are now when it comes to the internet and cars, etc. But I'm feeling very housebound. So I'll be good when I get to go to Gary's next and I can upload some videos and maybe even do a live if there's time. So that's why I've not been on so much anyway. I managed to pre-record some videos, upload them and get them to come out scheduled times, which is why there's been tutorials from me. But other than that, I've only got it's supposed to be 4G, but it really isn't good enough. It doesn't do anything. So I'm going to show you a couple of the tutorials and WIPs that I've been doing. This hasn't actually, I haven't done this one yet, but this is Mystic Granny, or I've heard it called Twisted Granny, which I really love this. I'm going to make a blanket with all of these squares, so I shall do a tutorial for this one. I've done a pink one, a green one, and one that's got red on it, so watch out for that. And I have done quite a few of those which I've just got out of storage, so I'm just going to add to them now and start making my blanket. So I thought I might as well share that with you and do a tutorial for it. Still making this blanket, which is my crochet along. I've managed to bring home some of the yarn. It's in this box, and I'm going to I've got two things to do, one of which is find out for someone how many strips a ball will make, and the other is to make a swatch and show you how we're going to do the border. So I've got the yarn for that. I dropped my other WIPs, bear with me. You may have seen some tutorials for the stripy granny. I did a couple of those. I shall hold it up. Although you've probably seen, which way around is it? That way. You've probably seen the tutorial by now, but that's the, what did I call that one? Goodness gracious, what did I call that one? Purple Patch, that was the one. And this was the Moody Blue, which I did first, just the basic granny, but with perfect edges, and I perfected my perfect edges. So they obviously weren't as perfect as they could have been the first time round, but I've managed to perfect them more. Still haven't got rid of the spaghetti hanging out the back of this, but I'm going to carry on with these and make an iPad mini case. And then I did the rubies, and I love this one. It's just a little bit different, and it's more boxy because there's 4 in a row there, but I really liked this one. So that was the rubies. And when I was playing around with it at first, I did this one, which was a smaller one, but it had an awful lot more gaps, and I didn't like it so much because I'm not really keen on big holy things. Oh, that's the other one of those. So other than that, I've got, this is how far I've got with my bag. So I'm on the straps now. So this is what it looks like. And these are the squares. So this is a granny square project. And I'm on the straps. So at the moment, all I've done so far is the chain. And I'm up to this point here. So I've got to go around the straps. But I'm really pleased with how this is turning out. It's so much better than I imagined it was going to be. So that's one bag. Really like that one. So that's one WIP, and there's all my bits and bobs in there for making that. So acquisitions. I managed, when I was looking for more yarn for the chunky blanket, to get some blue. I didn't really want to take it out of the wrapper, so I'm hoping you can see it through. You can't really, can you? I will take it out then. But it's the same as the dark coloured yarn that I'm making the blanket with. So it's the same as this one, the same range, but it's all blues and beiges, and I really like it. So it's the same range, £1.99, and I haven't got a hope of seeing the details on this because it's very dark in this corner, but that corner has been taken over by yarn. So can't film over there at the moment until I manage to find new homes for it all. So there we are, that's the blue, and I got two of those. That was all they had. I went in there to see if they had any more of this, and I managed to get a couple of the darker ones, but that was it. But I have got quite a lot of the colour. And my other acquisition, and I'm really looking forward to this, I bought myself a storage trolley. Can you see it? It's actually pink. I saw it in the store all set up, and I've got to, it's very heavy, I've got to make this. Now, I made a bathroom tidy, which was shaped like a corner, and I managed to do that. So I'm hoping that I managed to do this one, but it's very heavy. But when I looked at it in the store, the little bolt things that are on the inside are smooth and rounded, so the yarn wouldn't catch on it. And I really like this. I think it's going to help me a lot. I'm going to put some WIPs in it, and it's a three-tier storage trolley. Get my mouth around it, and it's on casters. So when I eventually get my little crafty yarn room, it'll be perfect in there. I've got one over there that's white, and it's just got basket drawers that pull out. And I bought that as it was already erected. I bought it from somebody I worked with when I worked for the council. But this one, I am going to have a go very soon at putting this one together. Wish me luck. I think I'm going to need it. So that's all of my acquisitions, I think, and my WIPs and my finished tutorials. I've still got the other bag once I've worked on the strap for this one. I haven't forgotten, I'm still going to be doing the sparkly one. So thanks for watching, and I hope to do a live stream very soon once I get back online, but that will probably be at Gary's before I get internet here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now, everyone.